What is up, friend, and how are you doing? My name is Maverick, and today we're gonna be discussing about the Simple Profit System by Travis Stephenson. All right, and what this program talks about is how you can make money with the Amazon Influencer program. Okay, now if this is your first time of being in this channel. What I talk about in this channel are reviews of online courses out there that might want to reap you of your money, and also programs and platforms out there that make money online opportunities. That is what I review on this platform. So you might want to hit the red subscribe button to encourage me to keep doing this the more, and give you my best verdict and honest opinion about any program out there before you invest a penny into it. Now let's talk about this program by Travis Stephenson, which is the Amazon Influencer Program. Okay, a program whereby you get paid a commission for creating short product review videos for Amazon products. Okay, so you can see right there it says no website, no phone call, nothing, and turn it into a $100 per day commission machine in 2 days. And here is this guy right here, Travis, which the video right there is just gonna put you through on some stuff concerning the program. And as you can see, we have a row which the program costs $97. Okay, it costs $97 for you to join the training, which you have access to a private Facebook group. Now the thing about this is that there are several drawbacks which I'm going to talk about very soon. And how this specifically works is that the Amazon Influencer Program, you create review videos. Okay, so once you create the review videos, like there is this product now, let's say like an AirPod. Okay, so the moment you buy the AirPod, you review it. Okay, you review that AirPod, and you post it on Amazon. All right, so this is more like you are encouraging more people to buy that product. So the moment any customer watch that video and purchase through your video, you're gonna earn a commission. Okay, so that is what the program is more about. Okay, so yeah, you get a product, they watch your video. Okay, once someone watch your video, your review video, and make a purchase, you get paid. All right, so it's a very good business because it doesn't require you to launch any product, which is a good business to be factual. All right, you don't have to involve in any product, you don't have to involved in paid adverts. Okay, this is just you reviewing a video, and you go ahead, upload it, and the moment you upload it, once people watch, Amazon customers come, they watch the video, and they go through your video to make a purchase, and you get your commission. However, there are several drawbacks into this. Now let's talk about the drawbacks of this. Now right here you can see some privacy policy and all that. The first drawback is that what if the product does not sell? Okay, so you bought the product, you review it, and you do, but what if it doesn't really sell? Because the thing is that most of the products that are actually selling, that have thousands of buyers, they already have a lot of reviewers. So you have to niche down for you to be able to get people to actually watch your videos, and be at the first aspect, to get the first page of the video review. So for you to be able to scale with that, you have to go for products that have less buyers. Now what if that product doesn't really sell that much? That is the first thing you have to consider. Okay, and the second thing is that if it is that easy and that's lucrative, okay, if it's that lucrative and passive that you can earn a lot of money, then a lot of people will be doing this, right? Because just think about it. This is just for you to get a product, and you just review it and go ahead and upload the video. So it is not something that lucrative, okay, whereby you can earn much money from it. All right, it is not that lucrative. That is another drawback that you want to consider, right? Because if it's very, very lucrative and can make you a lot of money, then well, I think a lot of people will go into it. Matter of fact, you will have seen something like this on YouTube, whereby a lot of gurus will have already created tutorials, and they will have a lot of course on something just like this. And another thing is that you need to have capital. You need to have money to buy products. Okay, just think about it. You have to buy products for you to review. Okay, so you have to buy these products with your money. You have to invest in it, and you have to review it before you can even make money. Okay, so if you don't have money to buy a product, or maybe you are even scared to buy, then this is not something you can do. If you are looking for something just digital that you don't have to involve any cost, you can check the link in the video description, okay, which will take you to a free webinar that is going to put you through on a lucrative business and passive income business that can keep earning money for you on autopilot. But however, what I'm still talking about here is still the Amazon Influencer Program. So this is something that requires you to spend money, okay, before you can earn, and even the earning cannot be that much. Now another thing about Amazon is that Amazon don't pay much, okay, they don't pay much. I mean, come to think of the Amazon Associates program, gone are those days during, 5 years, 6 years back. With Amazon Influencer program product, you still see products of something around 10% commission, okay, on let's say a particular product, maybe in the a fish rod, okay, you can still see 10% commission on products just like that. But now those products are something around 3% commission. So they don't even improve their commission, their commissions keep coming down. So compared to this is just something that will be giving you stipends. It's not like Amazon will pay you much. So if you, let's say you buy an AirPod of 50, let's say $35, they might be giving you commission of 2% or 1%. So it's not that much. Okay. So they don't pay much. That is the problem about Amazon. That is why I don't really fancy promoting Amazon stuff, except if you have your own products on Amazon that you're selling. But when it comes to the Amazon affiliate aspect or influencer aspect, they don't really pay much money. That is why if you check out Amazon review websites these days, websites that are reviewing Amazon products, when you go to Google, maybe you type best so stuff, and you see some websites, you read and they review the product for you, and you click, and you if you check out their monthly revenue, they don't really earn much. Some will be earning $50, $100, as high $200. They don't really earn much money, except for websites that have been in existence for a long time and already have a lot of content. All right, but come to think of Amazon review websites presently that maybe they are less than 2 years old, the highest you see them earning, majority of them, the highest you see them earning is maybe $200 or $100. It's always depends compared to previously, like 5 years, 6 years back, whereby with Amazon Associates program, or you reviewing Amazon products on your website, gone are those days. Like, you can earn as high as $1,000 in a month just for a 2 year old website. Okay, so you can see a 2 years old website that has good content and good written content. You rank on Google and you can earn as high as $1,000. Why? Because the commission is much. Okay, you see 10% commission, 9%, 8%, 12% commission. But now everything has cut down. The highest you see is except for Amazon products, okay, like Amazon Prime and all that. But when it comes to review products that are just normal products, the highest you see is 4% commission now on Amazon. So their commission rate has really dropped. It's not like before that they have high commission, and I feel it's because they have more awareness, so they feel like they don't really need much people to promote for them before they can make sales. So they don't really need you also to do review. Either you do the review or not, their customer will always buy, because every household in the United States and tier one countries, they buy from Amazon. So they really don't need you to do much review. Okay, so if you want to do, you can do it, but they don't really need you that much. So you shouldn't rely on Amazon, and you should, even if they pay you 4% or whatever commission they pay you today, don't feel like it's gonna increase over time. There is high assurance that it will still drop down. So this is not that is why it's not something that can earn you money lucratively and passively for a long time. So that is what you have to know about Amazon. Now, competition is much also. Okay, don't feel like maybe there is no competition. There are a lot of people also that are doing something like this, but they don't really earn much money from this. I'm very certain that Travis himself, the way he's earning much money from this is by selling his courses, okay, which is $97, by selling it to people. And something that is around $97, one thing you have to know is that you're just gonna join a private Facebook group. You're gonna learn, you're gonna join the training, but you're also gonna be learning the trick that hundreds of other people are also learning. Okay, so whatever trick he's teaching you, a lot of people also that have enrolled for this program are also gonna be using that particular trick, which is hundreds or 200s or 300s of people how they will have purchased this program for $97 are also gonna be using. So there's nothing unique any longer about this. All right, there's nothing unique, because these guys also are gonna be doing this whatever you are doing. And if there's any product that is telling you that you can go out to review, there are a lot of people also that have bought this program, and those that don't even buy it, that knows it elsewhere, that also going to join you into this, and you're going to be battling with a lot of competition. So that is my best advice. And also, you can be denied and banned anytime by Amazon. That is what you have to know. Amazon has strict policy, so you can get banned anytime. Although it doesn't actually mean you get banned, but their policies are strict, so you should try as much as possible to read their terms and policy before you go ahead to do this. Because if you don't, you can get your account banned, which might discourage you from even trying any other online business. So this is my best and honest review about this type of business and this program. If you want to join it, you can just go ahead, click on the arrow button, and you can go ahead and give it a trial. But for me, I wouldn't really suggest this as your primary source of earning, except if you are okay with, earning couple of maybe 50, $100, maybe every 2 months or every month if you're lucky. But if you want something around maybe you earning, $1,000 per month, 2,000, $10,000 per month, $5,000 per month, $10,000 per month, 20,000 grants, even if you go gaga, then I would suggest you try out affiliate marketing. Okay, it's a business whereby you don't have to involve in any cost. Okay, you can just go from zero to hero with affiliate marketing the moment you are learning from the best. All right, so that's why there's this free webinar which you can get started with. If you check the link in the video description, or if you check the screen right now, you're gonna see a link there. You can check out the webinar. Okay, you sign up for it, check out the webinar, and learn more about how you can use AI, artificial intelligence, to automate your affiliate marketing business, how you can make money on autopilot. So this means you can just invest 4 hours in a week on this type of business, and you can keep earning on autopilot without having to buy any products, okay, or do anything. Although affiliate marketing also is more like you are doing referral stuff, it's more like you're recommending a product, but the difference is just that these are digital products which you don't have to, buy by yourself. All right. So you check the video out, and I'm gonna see you at the other hand. Enjoy the rest of your day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new tutorials on this channel. And I'm gonna see you right there at the other end. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.